This 2022 Forest River RiverStone 42 FSKG is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Moore, Oklahoma, 73160 and is offered for sale by Oklahoma RV Center. This new Forest River is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, sleeps 4, slideout, and 95 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front kitchen, kitchen island, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Oklahoma RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.